I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. I'm at LTF 2023 in Miami, and I'm joined by Francisco Alvarez Demalde, co-founder and managing partner at Riverwood. Francisco, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you, Judy. Great to be with you.
Thank you. Now, before we get started, just a quick note to our viewers. This interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Francisco, LTF 2023, hosted by Riverwood. So talk to me about how long you've been doing this and why you're doing this. Why do you host this conference?
Yeah, well, LTF, which is the Latam Tech Forum, it's a dream that we started, I thought about back in 2010. We started it in 2011, so it's been now 12 years. And the whole purpose of this meeting is to bring together in one place the leaders of technology from Latin America, so they can meet once a year, they can build trust, they can connect, they can collaborate. This is a lot of the technology collaboration mindset that I have seen over the years in Silicon Valley, and we wanted to do that in Latin America. And because of this forum, for the last decade, I think some of the most accomplished CEOs, founders, entrepreneurs, they came together, they are working together, they are partnering. There's more connectivity now across Latam because of it. So we're very proud of it, and we do it every year, try to do it a little bit better every year.
All right, well, let's talk about Riverwood. So talk to me about the types of companies you invest in. What's your focus?
Yeah, so our firm, my firm Riverwood, we invest in technology companies, high growth, that are at this scale of, they're big enough that they already have a business, they already have clients, products, they already have, a base of revenue, sometimes 10, 20, $50 million. And they have a proven business, but they are in this moment where they have the opportunity to scale even further, to really accelerate that growth, to expand the product suite, to expand geographically, for example. And since the beginning, we've been doing this now for 15 years, we thought there was a space to build a firm that focuses only on that phase of what we call scalability. So we became, in a way, experts in scalability, and that's what we offer to our companies. We offer our capital to help them grow, but most importantly, we offer our partnership. We do only a few investments every year, and then once we do, we really partner with them, we join the board, we become an active shareholder, and we try to really provide our experience, our access, so these companies can be the better version of themselves.
Well, you're definitely telling me how you're different from others out there. So talk to me about some of your portfolio companies. What are some of the companies you invest in?
So we invest globally. Most of our business is in the US, and a lot of our US companies end up becoming global companies. But also we've been active in Latin America since the beginning. Latin America is a great part of our business. And I'll talk to you about Latin America today because that's we're here in the Latam Tech Forum. But look, we've been extremely grateful and lucky and blessed to be part of amazing journeys, from Globant, that became one of the top companies from the region, now a public company,
yes,
traded in the New York Stock Exchange.
Listed on the New York Stock Exchange, yes.
A big successful company, to Vitex, software for e-commerce, also traded in the New York Stock Exchange, to Technisys, software company for digital banking that, we just sold last year to SoFi. We have companies like OMI, for example, in Brazil, that is a leading financial management software for SMBs that are digitalizing their business, accounting on the cloud and financial management on the cloud. We have a wide range of companies. We've invested in 28 of them in Latin America. And I'll give you one statistic which is interesting. When you look at our portfolio, again, we invest already at the scale, 20, 30, 50 million revenue when we start. And then when I look back 12 years, I look at our more than 70 companies globally, our companies have grown their revenues 45% a year for the last 12 years. And in Latin America, that growth is even a little bit higher. So it's constant growth, constant development. It's, more hiring, more talent, more products. And it's pretty exciting to be in that phase of growth.
Oh, yes. All right, well, Francisco, wonderful to talk with you. Congratulations on a great conference. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thank you, Judy. We love having you here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.